dilate now by a factor of 2. So essentially each of these distances then, the distance from end to the center, has to be twice as far. So whatever this distance is, I want to double that and go out farther. And the distance from Y to M is going to double and go out further. Distance from O is going to double. So something that I noticed in my videos, my arms are really hairy. I don't know if I like that much hair on my arms. That's another Seinfeld episode, actually, if you want to watch the one with Seinfeld's girlfriend has man hands. Very unattractive. But anyway, so I'm going to measure the distance from N to Y and say that that is 1.8, 1.85, let's say. So that means I need to go that same distance. I should have set my ruler up like that. So I need to go that same distance further away from point Y, going in the same direction. So 1.85 doubled is like 3.7. I think, if I did that right in my head. I hope I did. So there is point Y prime, N prime, sorry. So that distance from there to there gets multiplied by 2. So maybe I should even write that. NY is 1.85 centimeters. So my scale factor, so that means N prime to Y is going to be twice that, so 3.7. And again then, M to Y, that's looking like 3.8. So MY is 3.8. Double that, and that's going to get me the distance to M prime. And 3.8 times 2 is like 7.6. So 7.6 gets me right there. And then finally, O to Y is 1.4. So times 2 is 2.8. There. O prime. Now this triangle is not going to be exactly the same as the original. It's going to be bigger because it's a dilation. And that. So this triangle should have the same proportion of sides, and the angles will all be the same, but the lengths of the sides should be twice as big. So actually, if I want it to be really good, I could actually measure that length from N to O and say it's like 1.6. So if I did it well, N prime to O prime should be twice as big. So like 3.2. I'm close. So that looks pretty good.